Alright, so going to introduce you to their backyard here. We have here is Kaylee, one of the beautiful boxers. Hey Kaylee. Hi, oh, wiggle your tail. Yep. And this is, well, she's about 4 years old. And we have Lexi. She's our oldest. She's about 7. She's getting really old. She's got some health issues. And this is a rescue dog here. Her name is Bristol. We rescued her from a neighbor. I'll explain that later. Actually, Kaylee's a rescue dog too. We got her from a family that was taking care of her. She was dumped in a dumpster when she was a puppy. And somebody saved her, and we took her from an organization, Boxer Love Rescue, here in Phoenix, Arizona. We're in Litchfield. As you can see, they have plenty of place to play. We are going from winter to summer, so our grass is dying and we have to plant new grass for the summer, which is what you have to do in Arizona. There's Chloe. Looks like she'll be riling to go here in a minute. She's still waking up. And that one out there is Bella. I said earlier she's like Mom. She's not a mom of any of these dogs, Maddie or Chloe. None of them are actually related. We have 6 total. So I'll get some video of them playing here in a minute, but I want to show you kind of where they get to go. We got a huge fenced in yard that they get to roam freely. The girls, Chloe and Maddie, are still being potty trained. As you can see, we have some mishaps here and there, but for the most part they're learning. And she loves to rub against the house to scratch herself. And we'll get them playing here in just a minute.